nature of the course. A secondary school student should ask himself or herself the question, does the nature of my chosen course of study fit my personality? This question is important because after completing a course of study that does not fit the personality of the student, practicing the course of study will be difficult, unexciting, and demotivating compared to another student whose course of study was a fit for his or her personality. Put differently, it is difficult to put in your best into a profession you had little interest in studying well for in the first place. Sure, you can pass examinations on the course, but in the long term, it will be frustrating to make serious impact in the field of study. Let's consider 3 examples to illustrate this. In example 1, a prospective tertiary student does not like the sight of blood oozing out of somebody or does not like working with sick people. Suppose he or she is considering medicine, nursing, or paramedic studies. Even where the student can pass examinations during the course, it will be difficult to enjoy the profession. In example 2, imagine that a secondary school student does not like farming crops, but likes farming animals, and is considering agriculture as a course of study. Although some may argue that an agricultural program may expose the student to both crop and animal farming, this thinking is faulty because the student may likely perform poorly on courses related to crop production, as this is not an area of his or her interest. Instead, it may be wiser for the student to confirm whether the institution has specializations in animal production towards the final years of the program, where he or she can concentrate on his or her area of interest after completing general agricultural courses. The point is that Nigerian prospective tertiary students should understand the nature of the course of study and its components before choosing it, and avoid choosing a course of study blindly or without understanding what it entails. In example 3, imagine a prospective tertiary school student that is interested in assembling and disassembling computers, but is considering studying software engineering. This would indicate the student is unaware of the nature of the course of study he or she is intending to study, and would be better off studying courses like computer engineering at the university, computer technology at the polytechnic, or computer hardware technology at innovative enterprise institutions, IEIs, instead of software engineering that does not primarily deal with assembling and disassembling computers and their components. There will be more videos on different methods of course selection in the future, so subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and set the enable notification button on so you don't miss any of it. If you are a tertiary educational institution in Nigeria or abroad and have a course of study that stands out from courses offered in other tertiary institutions, or stands out from courses offered in your locality or in Nigeria as a whole, and would like to get the word out to prospective tertiary students in Nigeria, do well to consider sponsoring a video on this channel. You can click on sponsoring a video below to learn more on how to do this.